In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar with ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you continue, since the calendar connection will be set up there. Next, open the App Center from the ClickUp navigation menu. Once you're in the App Center, use the search bar to look for Outlook Calendar, then select it from the results. This is where you'll set up the integration between ClickUp and your Microsoft Calendar. After that, click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account if you're not already signed in. Follow the authorization steps on the screen to allow ClickUp to access your Outlook calendar. This part is important because ClickUp needs permission in order to display and sync your calendar events properly. When the permissions window appears, take a moment to review the access being requested by ClickUp. If everything looks correct, approve the requested permissions to connect your Outlook calendar. If you're using a Microsoft 365 account managed by an organization, keep in mind that a Microsoft administrator may need to approve these permissions before the connection can be completed. Once your Outlook calendar is connected, go back to ClickUp and open Planner from the navigation menu. If you don't immediately see Planner, click More and then select Planner from the list. This is the area where your calendar events and ClickUp tasks can be viewed together in one place. At this point, your Outlook calendar events should begin appearing in ClickUp Planner. You'll be able to see your Outlook events alongside your ClickUp tasks, which makes it much easier to manage your schedule without switching back and forth between platforms. You can also open a ClickUp calendar view if you want to manage everything from a calendar layout. In the calendar settings, select your connected Outlook calendar so its events are displayed alongside your ClickUp tasks. This helps create a more complete view of your deadlines, meetings, and upcoming work. Once everything is set up, your Outlook calendar events will sync with ClickUp Planner. Changes made to calendar events in ClickUp can update Outlook calendar, and changes made in Outlook can also update ClickUp, depending on your sync settings and permissions. Finally, check that the sync is working correctly by opening both your Outlook calendar and ClickUp Planner. Confirm that your calendar events are appearing in both places as expected. If they are, your Outlook calendar is now synced with ClickUp. Thanks for watching.